Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate your Huntington Bank Rewards card and claim points, follow these step-by-step instructions to start earning and redeeming rewards. Step 1. Visit the Huntington Bank website or open the Huntington mobile app on your smartphone. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Step 2. Log in to your Huntington Bank online banking account using your existing credentials. If you don't have online access, you'll need to enroll first. Step 3. Navigate to the credit cards section of your account dashboard. Your new rewards card should be listed among your accounts. Step 4. Click on the activation link or button associated with your rewards card. You'll need to verify some information about your card. Step 5. Enter the required details such as the last 4 digits of your card number, expiration date, and security code to complete activation. Step 6. Review the rewards program terms and conditions. Understand how points are earned, their value, and expiration policies. Step 7. Set up your rewards preferences, including automatic redemption options or accumulation goals for specific rewards. Step 8. Explore the rewards catalog to see available redemption options such as cashback, travel, gift cards, or merchandise. Start using your activated card to earn points on everyday purchases and track your rewards balance through your online account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.